All right, guys, so the first thing you guys are going to want to do is line up the new exhaust all the way back, exactly how it's going to go on the truck. And the package even comes with instructions right here to help guide you. I mean, it's very self-explanatory, almost common sense, you can say. You're going to need some tools, but they provide the clamps. They provide the locations of the clamps right here, there, and there. And of course, if you guys have a short bed, they even provide you with a potential cut line. So of course, I'm going to start with the first pipe right here. This is the one that connects up onto the downpipe of the truck. I'm going to slip one of these clamps onto the back of there. Once it's on, I'm going to tighten on the V-band that goes right here. This is the side that connects onto the downpipe. It is an 11mm nut. And then we'll go from there, guys. Oh, remember, you guys don't want to completely tighten it all the way yet. You want to just set it into place, keep it semi-loose so you can move things around and make sure it's a perfect fit. All right, guys, so I have the first pipe in. This is the one that connects onto the downpipe. You're going to slide the hanger into whichever hole fits your truck best, right in here. And then once you come up here, guys, you want to make sure when you put that clamp on that the stud, the nut right over there, sorry that my phone doesn't want to focus, guys, but you want to make sure the stud is facing in a way that is going to make it easy for you to tighten it or to take it off if you need to. That's a big thing. And then of course, that's going to be my next pipe to go on. Make sure you have your clamp on the end right there, and I'm going to keep moving. Step, guys, you're going to slide your clamp on and get ready to slide in the next pipe. And of course, make sure you have the hanger ready, as that hanger right there is going to slide right into this pocket. Like so. Guys, got the next pipe on after the pipe that goes onto the downpipe. This is it right here. Make sure it's not touching on your drive shaft. You want to make sure it's clear right here. That's why you leave this clamp kind of snug to be able to adjust it here. And of course, you want to make sure it's not hitting on your subframe right here. And it's also going to slide in just like so, right about here. And then, of course, oh, by the way, guys, this clamp is going to be a 15mm socket. And yeah, just make sure if you're using an impact gun, you take it easy, because if you heat these up, you are going to break the stud. I have done it multiple times before, so just be careful with that. All right, guys, same process. Got the next pipe on. Now, it does come with 2 hangers. Depending on your truck, you're going to use either one. Of course, I'm not going to use this one standing right here and it's touching on my body. No problem. I'll cut it right there. That'll be no issue. And I'll hook this one on, this grommet right here. But remember, guys, be careful with the clamp. Don't just go crazy with the impact. And get her there. Get her snugged up. And then you're going to move on to the next pipe. Oh, don't forget, 15mm. All of these clamps are 15, so you got nothing to worry about. All right, guys, as I said, because I do have the long bed, the extender pipe, I am putting it on right there. And of course, another clamp right on there. And now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do the axle pipe that goes over the axle, has a nice curve. It's going to go on that hanger right there. And then, of course, another clamp right on here. All right, guys, got the axle pipe on. Make sure you put in this hanger first, and then either use your knee and try to push it up as you tighten this clamp, and it's going to push in with the clamp tightening. Very useful move and tactic just to know, make your life easier. I'm going to fire up the truck just to hear what it sounds like and keep going from there and put on the last piece, which is going to be the tailpipe right back. All right, guys, tailpipe is on. Now I'm going to go ahead, adjust everything, make sure the tip is where I want it. Go back and tighten all my clamps right there that I left snug. Make sure nothing is touching, nothing is rubbing, and we're going to be good to go, guys. All right, guys, all of my clamps are fully tightened up. All of my hangers are in their slots. Clamps is tight. Hangers in the slot. Clamp right here is tight. Clamp right there, and on the tailpipe, everything is tight. Boom. Make sure it's a clean install. Of course, up on the downpipe, the V-band is tight as well, and everything is where it should be. No issues whatsoever, guys. No issues whatsoever at all. Good fit. And let's see how it sounds. All right, guys. So exhaust is all installed. I've gone to a few places in the truck. It is going absolutely perfect. It sounds amazing. I mean, the install went great. No issue whatsoever. I actually had less issues with this company than with the 4-inch from MBRP. And I'm going to show you guys where my exhaust tip sits, only so you guys have that reference in case you guys need it. It's pretty much almost flush with my actual bed. I mean, it came out absolutely wonderful. That's her, guys. Goes all the way up over the axle right here. I'm going to show you guys the last peak all the way around. I mean, the exhaust went on absolutely perfect. No issues whatsoever. And as I said, guys, it sounds great. Again, comes with its instructions, guys, to make it super easy for you if you have a long bed or a short bed. Definitely go with the exhaust, guys. It's perfect. It's a new company. It's cheaper than most, and it is absolutely perfect. I have no complaints whatsoever.